So let's start. So let's check our second problem in our quiz. We have this beam here and they want to calculate the maximum shear force in it. So let's start by drawing the free body diagram for the beam. A point and this is B point. We have two vertical forces here of 2500 Newton and 310 Newton. Of course we have vertical reaction here of YA and we have vertical reaction here of YB, and we will ignore the horizontal reaction at the pin support because we can't see any other horizontal forces here. So let's start by calculating sigma moment at point A, which will equal to 0. We have the 2500 multiplied by the 1.25, which is the distance, plus 310 multiplied by 5.25. All of this will equal to YB multiplied by 5.8. Solving this equation to result on YB equaling 819.4 Newton. So this is the reaction at point B. Now we will just calculate sigma forces at Y direction, which equals 0. We have YA plus 819.4 equals 2500 plus 310, which means that YA equals 1990.6 Newton. Now it is easy, we can start calculating directly our shear force diagram. We will draw again our beam here. We have vertical force here of 310 and we have another vertical force of 2500 here. We have vertical reaction of 819.4 and vertical reaction of 1990.6 Newton here. We want to calculate here only the shear force diagram. No need to draw the bending moment diagram. It is very important in the exam to understand exactly what are the requirements because you don't want to waste any time unnecessarily. This is our beam. We will start from this point here. We have the value of 1990.6 force going upward from the left side. So this is positive shear going upward in this direction. We will keep going horizontally till we face this force of 2500. It is going downward. So from here we will start going downward till we reach 509.4 Newton. And again we will keep going horizontally till we reach this vertical force of 310. We will go down again till we reach 819.4 Newton. Keep going horizontally till we face the vertical reaction, which was the same value, of course. So our graph will get closed. This is the negative sign shear, and this is the positive sign shear. We know that this value is 1990.6. So this is it, and this is our maximum shear at this beam. Thank you.